Hi. I'm Hassan Sandikli from Turklingua. Our clients from around the world approach to us and ask us a series of questions regarding our Turkish translation services. We answer these questions from our clients and put them on internet to share out with our potential clients who may raise similar questions. The question of this video is: does Turklingua Turkish Translation Agency offer Turkish translation services for the healthcare industry? The answer is certainly 100% yes. Turklingua Turkish Translation Agency has extensive experience and sector-specific specialism in providing Turkish translation services for the healthcare industry and healthcare professionals. Turklingua Turkish Translation Agency has been a long-standing Turkish translation services provider and partner for their leading name clients from the healthcare industry, including health plans, healthcare systems, physicians' offices and hospitals, all over the world. Our premium class and professional approach that their clients rely on provides consistently accurate and clear Turkish translation for the healthcare professionals. As Turklingua, we take great pride in being a first choice in providing Turkish translations for the healthcare industry and healthcare professionals. With the large client portfolio working in all fields of healthcare sector, we fully understand the need to deliver sensitive Turkish translations. We are available 24 hours, 7 days, at all times without any interruption for your Turkish translation needs in the healthcare industry.